I want to help you to save time and also make more money, and what better way to do that than the ultimate Black Friday deal video. This video is going to help you to save thousands. I also made a video for School of Motion about Black Friday deals with even more deals, so make sure you go and watch that video after you've watched this one. As it's near the holidays,
Santa's coming to town!
We didn't just want to share with you some Black Friday deals, no, we wanted to do a little giveaway. So we're going to have 3 winners. One of the winners is going to win a spot in our course Client Quest, which helps you to get regular high-paying clients, so you don't need to worry about where your next job is coming from. And then School of Motion are also giving away a spot in MoGA Mania, their new course, and a spot in After Effects for editors. So make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video to find out how to enter into our giveaway. Today, I'm going to share with you the best tools to help you to save time and money as a designer and animator. The best deal that I've found to save you time and money right now is from Ajuice. They have their I Want It All bundle, and depending on when you're watching this video, they have an incredible 98% off. I can't quite believe that. 98% off is a lot of money. I think it's around $8,000. So you can get their 50 plus After Effects packs for just $149 right now at the time of release when this video comes out. My favorite thing is it's really easy to load their panel and you have access to everything that you need right there in After Effects. If you're on a super tight deadline with the client and you do need to make something quickly, this bundle from Ajuice can help save you loads and loads of time. Talking of After Effects, Adobe has 25% off their Creative Cloud subscriptions. Now, I'm sure most of you already have a subscription if you're watching this video, but if you don't, now definitely is the time to jump in. Next up on the list is Grayscale Gorilla Plus. This is a vital subscription for any Cinema 4D user. Grayscale Gorilla Plus is not only going to save you time, but it's going to help you to get better results for your clients. I really love their material pack they recently released called Tactile. It's just super realistic and satisfying. I highly recommend you check it out. You also get 500 hours plus training with Grayscale Gorilla Plus, and I really recommend it if you're thinking about learning Cinema 4D. I've personally been learning from Nick Campbell since he started out on YouTube teaching photography in After Effects. Does anyone else remember Nick Campbell's 5-second projects? If you do and you did one, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see them. Grayscale Gorilla Plus will be 25% off on annual subscriptions on the 6th and 7th of December. If you're struggling to go freelance or get regular high-paying clients and you would like to be able to ask me questions every single week live on office hours, then you should join our course Client Quest. We have £100 off right now. I'll leave the link below this video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you in there. Next up, we have Design Cuts. They have some fantastic design assets. They have fonts, they have graphic templates, and now they even have courses too. Design Cuts have 50% off some of their best products until the end of November, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you're looking to level up your designs. At Motion Hatch, we help you to start and scale your creative business. But another company that's also focused on your professional creative development is, of course, The Future. The Future have a fantastic YouTube channel that I highly recommend you check out. They've also got lots of courses to help you to develop your professional creative career. They have one on how to design Instagram carousels, which we actually took at Motion Hatch and use in some of our Instagram carousels. They are doing 25% off all of their courses if you're watching this video at the time of release, and also on Cyber Monday, they're doing a special little surprise for you as well, so watch out for that one. Talking of YouTube channels, another great channel is, of course, Premiere Gal. Now, Kelsey has a great channel and she also has some deals for you over on her website too. The entire bundle, which is normally $250, during Black Friday, you can get it for $125. Her social media templates and split screen kits are really handy when you're making different versions for your clients quickly, or maybe if you want to make some TikTok and Instagram videos of your work. I also really like her text message templates, so definitely check them out. Kelsey has been so kind to give the Motion Hatch audience an extra 5% off by using the code MotionHatch at checkout. Also, keeping in our theme of YouTube channels, awesome motion design YouTuber Ben Marriott is offering you an exclusive week of live streams if you buy his course during Black Friday. He's going to be doing some critique on your show reels, giving you career advice, and answering any questions that you ever wanted to ask him about motion design. It sounds pretty awesome, so I recommend that you go and check it out. Cavalry is a great tool for 2D animation, and they have some fantastic versioning tools that will help you with revisions for your clients. And if you're watching this at the time of release, you can get yourself 33% off Cavalry. If you're a VFX artist or you just want to look cool like me, Action VFX have 55% off right now on their entire site, and they also have 2 times the amount of credits on their annual subscriptions. So to enter our giveaway and be in with a chance to win a spot in Client Quest, MoGut Mania, or After Effects for editors, all you need to do is comment below this video with your favorite deal. Then hop over to School of Motion's channel, watch my deal video there, and comment with your favorite deal under that video too. You must watch both videos and you must comment under both videos to be in with a chance to win. All the links mentioned in today's video will be linked below in the description. Some of them are affiliate links, which means we might earn a small commission if you purchase through them, but it won't cost you anything extra and it really helps to support the channel. I'd always recommend only investing in tools that you really need, but the best thing that you can do to save money is of course to do an expense audit and cut any unnecessary expenses. So if you want to find out how to easily make an expense audit and recession proof your business, then you should watch this video next.